Good day children, Sai Ram and welcome back after your vacation. I hope children you all have enjoyed your vacation. Now let's continue with our studies. Before our vacation we had started with this lesson, International Dateline, in which we have already learned about the different timings, on which people all over the world celebrated their New Year. Okay, the time difference in them we have learned about it. Then we have also seen about the two students, that is Meenal and Sunil, who went in two different direction, and when they crossed the 180-degree meridian, they were in total confusion, whether it is the previous day or whether it is the next day. Now let's continue our lesson, International Date Line. You can see in this picture over here, on your left, you can see over here, Meenal is going towards the west and Sunil is going towards the east. Now let's learn when they were moving, when Meenal was moving more and more towards the west. What are the timings she got, that we will learn. Then afterwards we'll learn about Sunil when he is moving towards the east. What are the timings he is getting over there? So let's start. When Meenal is starting from 0-degree meridian, what is the timing at 0-degree meridian? You can see over here in this picture. It is shown over here that it is Thursday midday. Thursday midday, that means Thursday 12 p.m. Now when she is starting at 12 p.m., when she is going towards the west, when she is entering into 30-degree west, when she is reaching to 30-degree west, what is the timing over there? Yes children, what is the timing over there? We know what difference is there between from 0-degree to 30-degree. Yes, 30 longitudes are coming here. And one longitude is equal to how much difference? 4 minutes. So 30 longitudes means 30 multiplied by 4. That is 120. 120 means how many hours? 2 hours. From 0-degree to 30-degree, there is a time difference of 2 hours. So at 0-degree, if it is 12 p.m., what will be the timing at 30-degree west? 12, 11, 10. What will be the timing? 10 a.m. Now again Meenal is traveling from 30-degree west towards the 60-degree west. Now how much longitudes are there between 30-degree west to 60-degree west? Again 30 longitudes are coming. That means again a difference of 2 hours. What was the timing at 30-degree west? I told you 10. It was 10 a.m. That is 10 a.m. and on Thursday. So at 60-degree west, what will be the time? 10, 9, 8. That means what will be the timing at 60-degree west? 8 a.m. Thursday. The timing will be 8 a.m. Thursday. Now again Meenal is traveling from 60-degree west to 90-degree west. From 60-degree to 90-degree, what is the time? How many longitudes are coming again over here? 30. That means how much time difference will be there? 2 hours. So if at 60-degree west it is 8 a.m., then what will be the time at 90-degree west? Count. 8, 7, 6. So what will be the timing at 90-degree west? It will be 6 a.m. That's early morning, 6 a.m. Thursday. It will be 6 a.m. Thursday at 90-degree west. Again Meenal is traveling from 90-degree west towards 120-degree west. Again how many longitudes will be there between 90-degree and 120-degree? Again it will be 30. So what time difference? 2 hours. So at 90-degree west it was 6 a.m. What will be the timing at 120-degree west? 6, 5, 4. So what will be the timing at 120-degree west? 4 a.m. Okay, 4 a.m. Thursday. Again Meenal is traveling from 120 degree west to 150 degree west. Again 30 longitudes are coming in the middle. 2 hours difference is there. What was the timing at 120 degree west, children? Yes, correct. It was 4 a.m. So at 150 degree west, what will be the timing? 4, 3, 2. So it will be 2 a.m. Thursday. Okay, what will be the timing? 2 a.m. Thursday. Again Meenal is traveling from 150 degree west to 180 degree meridian now. Okay, again how many longitudes are coming in the middle? Again 30 longitudes are coming. Okay, time difference also 2 hours. So what will be the timing at 180 degree meridian for Meenal? It will be 12 a.m. Okay, she will be traveling when she will pass 180 degree meridian, she will finish with her Thursday and enter into the previous day, that is Wednesday. Okay children, now let's see about the journey of Sunil as per this picture over here. Okay, later on I will give you the proper explanation about this. Just now just listen about this diagram over here. Okay, now if you can see over here, Sunil is moving towards the east. Sunil is not moving back. Sunil is moving in front. Okay, so now here Sunil, when he is at 0 degree meridian, what is the timing over there? Same timing as Meenal was having, 12 p.m. Now Sunil is going to go ahead. He is not going to go behind. So what will be the timing at 30 degree east for Sunil? 12, 1, 2. Okay, so Sunil will have 2 p.m. Thursday. Okay, 2 p.m. Thursday at 30 degree east. Now Sunil again travels from 2 p.m. that is 30 degree east towards 60 degree east. When he reaches over there, what is the timing over here now? You all children, you all are going to tell me. I am not going to tell you now what will be the timing over here. Come on, I want the answer from you all. What will be the timing? 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what will be the timing? 4 p.m. Thursday. Okay, now again Sunil is traveling from 60 degree east towards 90 degree east. Okay, now when he is reaching 90 degree east, what will be the time over here? Again there is a gap of 30 longitudes, correct? And time difference is 2 hours. At 60 degree east, what was the timing? 4. Okay, 4, 5, 6. It will be 6 p.m. Thursday. Now children, you all must have noticed. You can see over here at 90 degree west. What was the timing? It was 6 a.m. Okay, and now if you see 90 degree east, it is 6 p.m. Okay, 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. You can see this straight one longitude, opposite longitudes there. Okay, here it is 6 a.m. So here it is 6 p.m. Okay. Then Sunil is traveling from 90 degree east towards 120 degree east now. Okay, 90 degrees east, it was 6 p.m. Now 120 degree east, what will be the timing over here? 6, 7, 8. So it will be 8 p.m. Thursday. Now Sunil will again travel from 120 degree east to 150 degree east. Okay, so what was the timing at 120 degree east? It was 8 p.m. Thursday. So at 150 degree east, what will be the timing? 8, 9, 10. It will be 10 p.m. Thursday. That means it is night. Okay, Now again Sunil is traveling from 150 degree east towards 180 degree meridian. Now he is going to pass the 180 degree meridian. Now when Sunil is reaching 180 degree meridian, he is also having the timing as 12 am. But when he is going to pass this 180 degree meridian, he is going to enter into the next day. That means Thursday is over for him. 10 p.m. is over. Now 12 a.m. is also over. Now he is going to enter into the next day. What is the next day? Thursday, Friday. So Sunil is going to enter into Friday. While if you see, Meenal was going to enter into Wednesday. Okay children, so this is about this diagram over here. I hope you all have understood the different timings at different meridians. Now here you can see the same thing in this table over here, as we have learnt about the different timings I told you. This is the table of Meenal's observation, what Meenal has had observed when she was traveling on the west side. Okay, and when she passed the 180 degree meridian, what is the time she got? She went 2 hours behind only. Okay, 30 degree west, it was 10 hours. 60 degree west, it was 8 hours. 90 degree west, it was Thursday 6 hours. 120 degree west, it was 4 hours. Then 150 degree west, it was 2 hours. And at 180 degree, she had reached to 12. Okay, when she passed this 180 degree and when she went towards the east, that is the next side of the 180 degree meridian, she entered into the previous day, that is Wednesday. Wednesday 10 o'clock timing she got. Then 120 degree 8 o'clock she got. 90 degree she got 6 o'clock. 60 degree east she got 4 o'clock. 30 degree east she got 2 o'clock, and 0 degree when she reached, she had 12 o'clock timing, that is Wednesday's 12 p.m. Okay, this was the observation by Meenal. Now if you see the observation of Sunil, which we have already learnt, it is just the opposite as Meenal had. Here Sunil is going 2 hours more ahead. We have seen at 30 degree he had the timing as 2 o'clock, 60 degree as 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 10 o'clock, then 12 o'clock. Okay, like this he is going ahead, 2 hours ahead he was going. So much of a confusion. Okay, both are passing the 180 degree meridian only, but one is going to the next day and one is going toward the previous day. Now after studying this table, just answer some of my questions, children, from what you have understood in this table. What is the day at 0 degree meridian at Greenwich after completing the table A? Okay, when we completed the table A, yes, what is the timing? What is the day? Okay, at 0 degree Greenwich. What is the day? It is Wednesday 12 p.m. Okay, she had started with Thursday 12 noon and she has reached to Wednesday 12 noon. Next question. According to table B, what is the day at 0 degree Greenwich? Okay, Sunil had started at Thursday 12 noon and he had reached Greenwich again at Friday 12 noon. Okay. Now, here the question arises, though both were at the same place, why were they experiencing different days? How did this happen? Okay, after studying this table, after studying this diagram, we come to a confusion. Why did this happen? Now you can see, when we studied this table, we found that these two children, when they were passing the 180 degree meridian, they came across 3 days: Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. That is your next answer. How many days occurred while doing this activity? Name them. Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. I hope children will have understood till here. Okay. Children, that's all for today. We'll continue with our lesson in our next lecture. Till then, thank you children.